I'm sure you had good bag. Wait, hold up, 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 wait. Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I cash stuff $7. Let's see if I can at least fill all 7 envelopes with at least some type of money. If you've been following my journey, again, this is my Spoil Her binder, and I am saving money for my birthday next year. On this channel, we save money for the future. So my birthday is June 23rd, and I am planning on doing something big for my birthday. I will be turning 35, so I definitely have to do something grand. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't know where I'm going, if I'm going to go anywhere. I just know that I want to save money for it and already have it there for whenever I make up my mind on what it is that I want to do. And how I'm choosing to save money is by playing a game called Roll and Save. So what I do is I take this dice and I shake it up, and I let the dice tell me based on what number shows up upright how much money I need to put in each envelope. I do start with small denominations, and I'll build myself up, but I only cash stuff what I can afford that's within my budget. So we weren't able to fill all 8 envelopes last time. We weren't even able to fill 6. I'll leave that video up top in the card above so you guys can watch that video if you haven't already. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's count the money and make sure it is accurate. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $7. And again, as I stated, I have 8 envelopes. So I know I'm not going to fill all 8. But the plan is to try to get these low numbers so I can at least fill all 7. So let's go ahead and get started. Birthday is going to get $5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will speak about my envelopes real briefly on what each one means. So for birthday, that is just for whatever I'm choosing to do. Whether I'm choosing to go to a different location, such as travel somewhere, this will cover like my airplane ticket, or if I want to go on a cruise, or if I just want to go to a nice resort, this will cover all of that. Okay, next we have hair. I like to wear hair extensions, so that's what that's for. That's going to cover my hair extensions as well as cover the hairstylist that will be sewing in my hair. Next we have hygiene. Whatever I want to take with me as it pertains to my hygiene. Obviously, you know, I want to have my body wash, you know, my Smell Good body wash, my lotions, all of that good stuff. Making sure that I have toothbrush, toothpaste, you know, deodorant, all of that good stuff will be in this envelope here. And then, of course, if I have money left over, then that's fine. I'll just use that money throughout the year for my, you know, monthly hygiene products. Miscellaneous, you know, depending on what I'm doing, anything can happen. This can also be used as extra money. So because if I'm not able to fill each envelope every time, some envelopes are not going to have as much money in it as others. And that's perfectly fine. This will come in handy for me to use as extra money. Or again, you just never know what will happen when you do travel, if I choose to travel, as I stated, or whatever I choose to do. It's just always good to have extra money handy that's not going to dip into my emergency funds. Okay, next we have nails. I already need to get my nails done now as it is. I will be getting my nails done before Thanksgiving, but yes, I definitely want to make sure that I have money for me to be able to get a pedicure, and also for me to get you know, a full set, and whatever else I choose to do with getting my nails done, such as I do like to do the waxing and things of that nature. And then we have perfume. I am so obsessed with the high-end luxury designer perfumes. Right now I've mainly been using these small ounces, but I plan on buying every single last perfume that I really like. for my birthday. So I'm going to be buying the big bottles, the big ounces, and those can run you anywhere from 1 something to 2 something and up. So I want to make sure I have enough to cover that. Self-care, if I decide to get like a massage somewhere, or just pamper myself doing anything, you know, if I want to do acupuncture, if I want to just go and go to a nice sauna or spa, this will cover that for me. Shopping, obviously I want to get some shopping done. Now for me, I do live more of a minimalistic capsule wardrobe lifestyle, so I am not into overconsumption and buying a whole bunch of stuff anymore like I used to be. So it doesn't necessarily mean that I'll go shopping for clothes or anything of that nature, like a new wardrobe. This could be for me to just buy something for my house, such as a new mattress. I do need a new mattress, but I'm still not I'm still not for certain if I want to use this specifically for my mattress, or if I'll just buy my mattress using my separate, you know, separate income for that. But either way it goes, this is just still a good way for me to buy whatever it is that I want for my birthday. And that's all the envelopes that I have. So now we're back on hair. I really need a low number. Okay, I got $3. And I only have 2 left. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it again. Hopefully I can get a 1 or a 2. Okay. I love when this happens. I love when this happens. So I got $1. And again, anytime that I have a small amount over here, I will roll the dice 3 times to see if I can hit that number before I decide to end the game, okay? So next we have hygiene. Okay, obviously $5, but I only have $1 here. So I'm going to roll the dice 2 more times. $5 again. So we have 1 more time. Please let me get this dollar. Please, I just need 1. $3. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to hit that $3 mark, and that's okay. The last video, I got the same too, so it's fine. Again, starting with these small amounts, you do run the risk of not being able to fill all of your envelopes when you're playing this game. But again, I just want you guys to see, like, don't get caught up unless you really have like a specific goal amount for your envelopes that you want to meet. Then obviously start with a larger amount or cash stuff it how you want to. But when playing roll and save with these small denominations, you're going to run the risk of not being able to fill every single envelope all the time. And that's perfectly fine with me, because none of my envelopes have a certain goal amount. I'm just saving money, to be honest with you. I'm just putting money in these envelopes for these specific categories. As long as I have money in these envelopes, that's all that matters to me. So again, use the game and tailor it to your specific needs, wants, or budget, how you want to save. But this is how I'm choosing to save, okay? So what I'm going to do now is this $1 will go towards my next cash stuffing video. So we're going to go ahead and count the money now and see how much we have in each envelope. So for birthday, we now have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me make sure. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, $36 for birthday. As soon as I decide what it is I want to do for my birthday, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But like I said, I typically don't celebrate my birthday, so it's just one of those things where I'm like, okay, girl, you're like in your prime now. You need to go ahead and figure out something to do to celebrate it. So I'll let you guys know. So for hair, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. For hygiene, we have 20, 30, 35, 36. For miscellaneous, if I can get it open. For miscellaneous, we have 20, 25, 26. For nails, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. For perfume, we have 20, 21, 22, 23. For self-care, we have 10, 15, 16. And then for shopping, we have 20, 21. So I hope you guys are enjoying this game, Roll and Save. If you're following along, great. I will slowly, gradually increase the amounts that I'm cash stuffing. So like I said, at some point, all of these envelopes will start to get some money added back into them again. Okay, if you're into these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.